The future is here, and it's AI. What if I told you you could generate a realistic talking video with just a photograph? With AI, it's very possible. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate these videos using Zoice AI with synchronized voice and realistic facial expressions. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more videos like this. Let's get into the video.
So you are going to head over to any web browser of your choice, and then you search for zoice.com. It will take you to a sign up page where you sign up, or if you have already signed up before, you just continue logging. After you are in, this is how you see the interface. You will see the home page, new avatar video, new image, character swap, new motion, and lot of them. What we are going to do today is the new avatar video. That is what we are creating today. Here you see use custom avatars to generate personalized videos. So over here, this is where you will do the work. This is the place you enter your script, but we are not going to enter the script now. We are going to create other things first. So first we start with creating the character. Over here I have some characters, but let's create another one. So you click on create new and give it a name. Give the character a name. I'm going to be using Albert as the character. And then here you upload the character image that you want to use. Just give it some time to load up. Okay, here it is. Generate avatar. After generating the avatar, you can see it appears here. I'm going to click on it. Click on Albert. Okay, this the character we'll be using. So over here, you click on generate video. So the next thing we are going to do is to select a voice. I'm going to use the voice that we will be using for the character. So over here I have a bunch of voices, but let's try creating another one. Click on new, name it Albert, and then I'm going to drag a reference audio into this place. Click uploading file. So after uploading, you can see it here. We just go ahead to select the language. Are we using English, accent, American accent, and the gender should be yay. Age senior 65, and then you just go ahead and write any description you want. It's optional. So click on generate. Okay, I've hit the limits of the voice profiles I can create, so let's just go ahead and use other voices over here. Let's go to public voice, public voice. So over here we have a bunch of public voice we can use. We have a bunch of them in different languages. But today I'm going to be using George as it's an English speaker, a male senior American. So I'm going to add this. So we have the character and we have the voice. Now we need the output ratio. So for the aspect ratio, it's for YouTube. So I'm going to be selecting 9:16. And then the resolution, depending on your credit, I'm going to be using 720 for this video. So after this, then we add your script. Here is the script. After adding the script, you just play around with this emotions, delivery, and human reaction. You just play around with this depending on the video you want to create. class, throat, grasp. Okay, these are all actions that it can do. Just add this to the script. So after adding this email action prompt, the action you want your character to do, you can either type it or just select from here. You need to be selecting this. So over here now we have everything completed is to generate. Just give it time to see your preview. Okay, this is the preview. Just play to see if everything is okay. Then you go ahead to generate the video. So just give it some time to finish generating. Okay, after it's generated, this is what we got. Let's play it and see. Okay, so here is my character from image to a talking video. So you just go ahead and download it.
So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more videos like this. See you in the next one.